Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll dive right into configuring the Do Not Disturb mode in Slack, the full 2025 guide. Let's get started. First, launch Slack and head to the workspace where you want to apply the Do Not Disturb mode. This is important because Slack enables you to set different preferences for each workspace. Next up, click your workspace name in the top left corner, then choose Preferences. The reason we do this is to access the settings where we can find the Do Not Disturb option. Now that we're in the Preferences menu, select Notifications. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Slack is showing you all the options related to notifications, which is where the Do Not Disturb mode is located. Then, you'll find the Do Not Disturb Schedule section. Click Edit Schedule to set your preferred Do Not Disturb hours. This helps us because it allows you to specify when you don't want to be disturbed, ensuring you maintain your focus during those times. After setting your preferred hours, make sure to click Done to save your settings. This is a critical step because if you don't save your changes, Slack won't apply your new Do Not Disturb schedule. And there you have it, folks. That's how you configure the Do Not Disturb mode in Slack, making sure you can work uninterrupted when you need to. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay productive.